What's up, guys? Beautiful rainy day in California. Man, I just can't get a break from it. But this is what we're doing today. All right, so today we're going to be doing the Green Rhino cocktail. And if you don't know what it is, well, I talk about it all the time on my video, on my channel. So what it is a pet treatment. And customer booked the appointment for 2 rooms, a living room and a bedroom, and said her puppy was having problems. So I did tell her, we'll evaluate. I'll charge her I'll book her for 1 pet treatment. Then when we get there, we'll evaluate it. Well, all that you can see, it's kind of tough with my light, but because it's kind of bright in here, but it's everywhere. It's everywhere. And this is a nice home, and she's going with trying to clean it before she goes to replace it. I'm also gonna do those 2 rugs right there. So yeah, you can smell it too. All right, there's an odor. And we're gonna boost our pre-spray. So I'm using Carpet Details. I'm boosting my pre-spray. Got the flow zone right there. If you guys don't have a flow zone, if you have a backpack spray and you don't have a flow zone, it's like you're driving a Honda. That's a Mercedes. We're boosting it with Go Oxy. Luckily, I had just enough in here. And Sagerside eucalyptus. 8 to 12 ounces per gallon. It's gonna get rid of all the stains. This product right here is gonna get rid of the odor. Plus, Carpet Details, the chemistry helps also get rid of the odor. So if you want to do a true Green Rhino cocktail, it's these 3. But in all actuality, you can boost whatever pre-spray you're using. Just make sure it's not an enzyme pre-spray, because the peroxide will kill it. And we're gonna pre-spray everything, and before I even pull anything out. Okay? Custom already vacuumed, got a decent vacuum, don't need a vacuum. And then I'm gonna agitate it in, actually, with my Nanco. Okay, agitate it in, and it's gonna have all that time to dwell and do its thing. And by the time I pull out my hose in the stretch, we're gonna have a half hour plus of dwell time, and we're gonna extract, and we'll be done. All right, so as you can tell, I haven't even pulled out my hoses yet. I did hook up the water line as soon as I got here, but went ahead and pre-sprayed everything, CRB'd everything, because we can't track down every spot, so went over the whole carpet. It smells better in here already. So by the time I get to extraction, it's gonna have some good dwell time. Good thing about these type of machines, counter-rotating brushes, does pull up what the vacuum can't. So this is a Shark vacuum right here. A lot of cleaners, carpet cleaners, use these vacuums. They're probably the best residential vacuum out there for a decent price. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a vacuum, I got a Pro Team, you know, they're about 500 bucks. But if you're looking to get a decent vacuum, Sharks are very, very good. I think they're around 150 bucks or so. This will get you by until you decide to move on. You know, the only thing about the Pro Team versus a Shark, one of the benefits is, you know, Pro Team's a lot longer, so you get more done. Alright guys, so I use carpet detail 90% of my cleanings. That's including carpet, tile, and upholstery. And you know, as I pre-spray, I get a little overspray. And as I'm going over it with the wand, you can tell that I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah, there's a clean spot there. So maybe she'll see that and say, you know what, maybe I'll get my tile and grout cleaned. So if the odor is extreme or there's a lot of urine, I always do 2 passes, 2 rinses, and then I go over it with the dry strokes. So I went ahead and mixed up just straight carpet details for these rugs. These are both polypropylene, very easily safe to clean with most pre-sprays out there. Now if these were wool and I did a bleed test and make sure they didn't bleed, I would just use also carpet details. You guys probably think I sell this stuff, but no. Just been using it all the time. It was like one of the first products I found when I first started my business. And then I went through the whole 360 of using everything out there that people were saying was God's gift to mankind. And just came right back to carpet details. Smart chemistry. All right, guys, all finished up. Job went well. See you in the next one.